This week in the Weeds Prohibition Talk Radio is stoked to sit down with Meredith Mann, the owner of Vermont's first Canna-Cafe, Magic Mann. Meredith has spent her life with cannabis as an activist and studying the plant. Learning the ways cannabis can help medicinally, she fights for patients' rights, clean and safe products. Previously working as a bud tender at a local dispensary, she realized this was not the way she wanted to interact with patients and followed her dreams to start BTV Local 420 with support from her family and friends. As COVID ensued, her team was called away. She faced issues with local politics and had to make a difficult decision in the face of adversity. Meredith decided to risk it all, move, rebrand, and build the space of her dreams with Magic Mann. Magic Mann is a local hub for cannabis events, healthy and high-quality products, education, and cooking classes. Join us as Meredith shares her story of what motivates and drives her to put her life behind the plant, the challenges and the possibilities for women and men to succeed in our new cannabis industry. Tune in on Wednesday at 4:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at www.facebook.com/Prohibition Talk Radio. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for all of our archives.